great guitars. Let's go build some junk. Well, now that we have finished our Samich for the Great Guitar Build-Off 2020, I don't have a real solid plan on what we're going to do next. I got a couple ideas, but nothing solid yet. However, I'm really thinking what I'm going to be doing next. All right, what you're going to see next, some time ago, I haven't done real good with keeping up with video for the last couple years. So I've got actually 5 builds that, one you've seen, well, I don't know, maybe 2/3 of. I need to finish editing and uploading that build. And then I have 4 more builds after that you need to see. Now, if you've been paying attention and watching the videos through the Great Guitar Build-Off, I mentioned the 4 builds, and kind of informally asked what everybody wanted to see. Weirdly enough, I was shocked that the majority of people wanted to see the 2x4 build. Well, okay, and a close second was the bass, the Wenge bass. And in looking at footage, it's good that it turned out that way, because it's kind of a convoluted story, but it was an evolution of ideas that turned into this to this to this. So the 2x4 was initially just a test to make sure I could do a Strat type build, and then I'd planned on doing a Strat type build with what turned into the Wenge bass. So for that not to be in chronological order, you lose, some of the story and the thought process and all that. So I think we're just going to do things in chronological order. I'm thinking I will try to hurry up and finish doing the Wenge double cut that has already been started, and it's really not that far away from being done. Though I haven't looked at the footage for quite a while. All right, and from there we'll go to the 2x4 Strat, to the Wenge bass, and the other 2, I don't remember what order they were in. We'll just stick to chronological, and it'll be okay. So there's gonna be plenty to watch, but I did want to make it clear so nobody's confused that videos for the next, I don't know, probably the next 2-3 months are going to be builds that happen in the last couple of years before the Ice Cream Sandwich. In the meantime, hopefully I will get an idea together on what we're going to build next and start working on that. So once we mop up these 5 builds, we'll still have more footage to move forward with. Because there's gonna always be builds. I just don't know what I'm gonna do yet. What I am gonna do in the meantime, next thing I'm gonna do in the shop anyway, is do some rearranging. It's never completely been set up as a shop, and we need to do that. I'm gonna probably rearrange all of this so it's a little easier for video and some things like that. And tool access, and I think I'm going to move the bandsaw in here somewhere. Anyway, we're going to continue working, but you're going to have plenty of video to see. So stick around. All these new subscribers, we want to keep you guys entertained. Well, and I keep saying that as if the old subscribers didn't count. And you guys deserve some love too, because you've been sticking with me all this time, and I haven't been doing anything, at least on YouTube. So we're going to fix that. So stick around, have fun, enjoy, like, subscribe, comment, share, all that junk. Bye.